Hey TikTok enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of sounds and music on TikTok. Ever wondered how to find those trending sounds that everyone is using in their videos? Well, you're in the right place. Stick around as we uncover the secrets to discovering the hottest sounds on TikTok. First things first, open up your TikTok app and head to the homepage. You'll notice a magnifying glass icon at the right. That's your ticket to discovering trending sounds. Once you're in the Discover page, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in keywords related to what you're looking for, such as trending, popular, or the specific genre or theme you're interested in. TikTok will display a list of results, including popular videos and trending sounds. Browse through the videos to get a feel for what's currently hot. You can also tap on the Music tab to explore trending sounds in different categories. And there you have it. Finding trending sounds on TikTok is as simple as exploring the Discover page, using relevant keywords in the search bar, and checking out the trending section. So go ahead, get creative, and join the trend. If you find this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We're eager to hear from you.